text wiggling, photos zooming in and out, anything that has movement that you've seen in somebody else's video and thought, how'd they do that? It's keyframes. A keyframe is basically a marker in your timeline that sets the beginning or end of a change. Once you understand the concept, you can create any kind of motion or change in your video. Let's go to the computer and I'll show you how it works. In CapCut, keyframes look like little diamonds on your timeline. Here's a simple example so you can see the logic. Take an image and make it small. Drop a keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Then go to the end and increase the size. CapCut automatically places a second keyframe there. When you play it back, your image grows from small to large. That's the whole concept. A keyframe marks where something starts, and another marks where you want it to end. Now, you can also stack multiple keyframes close together in a short span of time. That's how the wiggle effect works. Let me show you. I'm going to slightly change the position of this object using multiple keyframes close together. Same logic applies to opacity. If you want something to fade in or out or flash on and off, you're just setting keyframes at different opacity values. And color. You can keyframe color adjustments to have your footage shift to warm, to cool, or you can create color pulse effects. Once you get comfortable with the concept, keyframes stop feeling like a technical thing and more like a creative tool. Movement, opacity, color, it works the same way every time. You're just deciding what changes and when. If you're new here, my name is Melissa and I create content around photo and video editing. If you like learning from somebody with a very specific point of view, hit subscribe. And if you're returning to my channel, you're a real one. I post new content on Instagram every single week, so go ahead and follow me over there. I'll put a link in the description. And remember, you should probably be editing.